Today I am going to show you something that will completely change how you think about Python performance. We always hear that lists are slower and dictionaries are faster, but today you are going to see the truth with your own eyes. We are going to run a live experiment. We will search the same value inside a list 100,000 and then inside a dictionary of 100,000 items. Python will show us exactly how many seconds each search takes. This is not theory, this is real execution, real timing, and real performance. By the end of this demo, you will instantly understand why choosing the right data structure can make your program run 10x, 20x, even 50x faster. Let's run the code and watch the time complexity reveal itself. Let me quickly explain the code. On the first line, import time. The time module allows us to measure how long an operation takes. In this example, we use time.perf underscore counter for high precision time. On this line, just print a title to make the output clear, helps students to know this is timing them. Then we create a variable with name numbers, and then on this we are creating a list of numbers from 0 to 99,999 time. From 0 to 99,999 time. And the range is 100,000. We are using range and list. The range will generate a number and list converts into a Python list. And we know lists are ordered index based, so searching big of n time. And then we create a dictionary with keys and values from 0 to 99,909 time. Dictionaries are hash tables, so searching by key is 0 by big of 1 time. Then we use time.perf underscore count. This will record the start, and then we are searching this number inside our list search one. So time grows linear with the list size with big O of n. This line is responsible to record the end time. Calculate how long the search took in seconds. Print the result with 10 decimal places, and the same code for the dictionary. In dictionary we are going to search 99,999, and then we have final comparison. Basically on this line we are calculating how many times faster the dictionary search is. Dictionary is approximate. Inside this we are basically printing the speed of value with 2 decimal rounded places. Now I am going to run this. The list time taken 0.001074 and then 00 seconds, and the dictionary search time is 0.00024600 seconds. So dictionary is faster 43.88x